Yes, so my people, I don't come again for our better program what we dey call Sport Tori and Sport Tori wey dey come una way for our darling station wey dey call Prosium RTV. And my name na Humphrey Iluore. Today I say make I come tell na all the tori wey dey happen for the world of sport. Yes, our first story wey I wan talk about na Peter Rufai. You na remember am, that legend of 1994, our golden year in Super Eagles. He come comot as an elder. He come comot to talk about how Nigerian Super Eagles fans dey always insult all the keepers. He say those things dey kill their morale. So make we stop am. Make we dey always support the team instead of criticizing the team. As everybody dey also comot dey talk himself as an elderly man. He comot to advise us because him don dey for keeping position. He say e no easy, but make we try to understand this thing. But he no talk, e no be only that thing, just talk. He come talk say make the coach, yes, Super Eagles coach Joseph Pizarro, make him go round, go check other keepers, make he dey try other keepers, make he no just rely on one keeper, make he dey go round dey check to see whether we go get the best one wey go comot. Nice, na so that one take go. Another story wey I wan tell again, one beautiful Super Falcon girl wey dem dey call Jennifer Echejini. Una fit remember her, we get one kind correct fine dada. Yes, the girl they don comot say Juventus comot today for news say Echejini go soon sign the Italian club giant Juventus for January. Yes, go sign on for January transfer. Then go sign am. Say she go leave her base club wey dey Florida State, wey dey call Seminoles. Yes, she go leave Seminoles, come Juventus by January. She dey try do some paperwork so that when January reach like this, she go just land. Na Italian media na im confirm that news. Na so we just come. So another last one I wan talk about before I leave una. This sometimes if this football team dey very funny o. I'm telling you, e dey very 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 funny. You remember say everybody dey bring excuse why dem lose match for this World Cup qualifier. South Africa coach Hugo Broos don bring him own excuse. You remember say Pizarro talk about the excuse say na the long flight, they never rest, they go play. Yes, Hugo Broos don bring him own, which Hugo Broos wey be South African coach himself don comot talk say na two reasons why im boys lose that game. Yes, he talk say the first reason be say na artificial pitch na im the Rwanda people dey use for their stadium. And yes, he say artificial pitch e no good for professional football because the ball no dey move well well. He say the ball, say that 2-0 wey dem give them na im make, na one of the reasons. And the second reason wey he talk about again, he say Hugo Broos, well, na your excuse, na you dey with the boys, na you know them. Hugo Broos say the boys, the Rwanda boys, for 25 minutes, Rwanda boys dey play Berimbuga football. If you understand what I talk, as you talk about Burugu football, you know they play like professionals, you know they play anyhow. So the own boys can't lose focus because the boys they play professional style. But then they play kick and follow. You remember kick and follow, make a player. Say the boys they play am. So the own professional boys where they play professional games, that's the Bafana team now. They play professional game. They no conflict. Join them, they play that kind of their game. So the game can scatter. Now when they come, now waiting make them lose. Well, everybody give their excuse. And make I say now your own excuse be that. If your FA agree to now you know. So my people, now for here I want to round up this program. And don't forget to follow us for our website, will be www.prosionnews.com. And you know say that for YouTube that will watch us well. Now follow us for YouTube for YouTube now at prosionnews.com. And also we did Facebook too. They also watch us for Facebook. We did Instagram, we did LinkedIn, we did Twitter, and we did for TikTok self. And don't forget to go Google Play Store, download our Prosium app. Yes, just go Google Play Store, type Prosium RTV. You will get us there. Make you download them. You don't get us there. You will watch our radio station. We will also get our radio station for that app. So if you will listen to our radio station, and don't forget say every 4 o'clock for radio station, we get our 4 o'clock sport news. Mokuna follow us. Una bye bye. Mokuna don't forget say now who they kick football, now they score goal. When you get down, get up, hey, hey. This man for Africa. Samina, mina.